Hello, good morning to everyone. Welcome to Tech Easy. Today in this video, we'll see some footwear of WoodLand brand. See, I have an occasion, so I need to buy some pair of chappal. And out of all these WoodLand chappals or the sandals, this one I like, and the MRP on this is it is showing like near 2700. And the shop person, as this is the offline store, the shop person told me there is a off like 20% or 30%. Maybe I'll get it for 1800 or something like that. And these are some shoes. The main thing I like about the WoodLand shoes is their toughness, the heavy feel. That is what I'm a person who likes the heavy feel. And please do comment who else likes the heavy feel sort of footwear like me. And these are of some professional, and this is another brand which is Mojuti. I'm sorry if I'm unable to spell it correctly. It is Mojuti, and this shoe is 2000 rupees, 1999. And the one in the black I like the most. And please do comment which footwear do you like the most out of this what I am showing. And this, for this brand, there is flat 60% off, and out of this I need to select one and I need to purchase one, means one sandals and one shoes, one pair of shoes. Yeah, I need to buy, and the prices are okay. Yeah, I need to get it urgently. That's the reason I visited this offline store, or else I would have gone to off online. Yeah, please do comment.